Hi guys, a quick and short video to explain you something very stupid, very basic and very annoying. This setup is ArcoNet. It is in VirtualBox, but I have the other machine, my old laptop, on the other end. What you need to know is when you booting up in VirtualBox and as well later on real metal, if you have an old machine that does not understand UEFI and you keep the USB in, it will reboot from the USB again, right? Same applies here, the optical drive. If it's not empty and it is ArcoNet and you reboot, it will actually find the USB and say, let's install again, right? And that's not the point. So you need to remove the actual on real metal, the actual USB, pull it out, right? And the same thing on a VirtualBox or any other VMware, probably VirtualBox machine. You need to pull it out and make sure it has no chance to go back to a USB image, and then you can boot again. In this case, let's quickly have a look. It's Xmonad that I've chosen at this particular setup. So remember, ArcoNet is actually for 80–90% of our people. It can install any of the desktops. We've omitted a few frustration desktops that don't work at the moment, and when they work again we can add them again, but right, it is maintenance from Arch users and AOR maintainers and all that. But if it's frustrating, we won't give it to you, right? There's no sense in wasting time and providing things that don't work. So this is our sudo use. This is something new that we've launched. So there is no Wayland here. There is just X11 session, Xmonad. We're using BIOS. Okay, so an older machine, UEFI, these guys are the newer machines. So just remember, pull out the ISO, pull out the USB, otherwise you'll be booting back in and you think, hey, I can't install ArcoLinux. No, that's not the reason, right? You have to pull it out. Okay, cheers.